नमस्कार मित्रांनो, या व्हिडिओमध्ये आपण IoTचे ॲप्लिकेशन IoT कोणत्या शेतात वापरले जाते हे जाणून घेणार आहोत. चला तर मग कल्पना करा की तुम्ही घराजवळ एक छान बाग विकसित केली आहे. तुम्हाला माहिती आहे की बागेचे मेंटेनन्ससाठी खूप कष्ट घ्यायला लागतात. बागेला आपल्याला नियमित पाणी देणं गरजेचं असतं. पण काय होतं, कधी कधी आपण जास्त पाणी देतो तर कधी 2-2, 3-3 दिवस पाणी दिलं जात नाही. पण समजा या बागेमध्ये आपण सेन्सर्स लावले आणि ते सेन्सर्स जमिनीची आर्द्रता चेक करेल. जर त्याला कमी वाटलं तर ते मोटारला सांगणार की बाबा पाणी कमी आहे, पाणी सोड. आणि समजा जर पाणी एका ठराविक पातळीच्या वर गेल्यानंतर ते परत मोटारला सांगणार की बाबा पाणी आता बरोबर आहे, तू बंद कर. हे सगळं कवी कल्पना नाही, हे प्रत्यक्षात होऊ शकतं. याच्यासाठी लागतं आपल्याला इंटरनेट ऑफ थिंग्स. जसं माणसांचं नेटवर्क असतं तसं थिंग्स म्हणजे ऑब्जेक्टचं नेटवर्क, त्याला इंटरनेट ऑफ थिंग्स असं म्हणतात. IoTचा उपयोग आपण आपल्या घराला स्मार्ट होम करण्यासाठी करू शकतो. म्हणजे ऑटोमॅटिक तुमचं लाईट ऑन होणं, फॅन ऑन होणं, बऱ्याच गोष्टी आपण करू शकतो. चला तर बघूया आपण.
Google Home seamlessly connects with popular smart devices so you can control your smart home with your voice. Set the right lighting.
Okay, Google, turn on the nightlight.
Use your voice to keep your cool.
Okay, Google, turn the temperature down a bit.
Lock the doors completely hands-free.
Okay, Google, tell August to lock the doors.
And with smart plugs, you can even start making your morning coffee from your bed.
Okay, Google, turn on the coffee machine.
Get more control of your smart home with commands like,
Are the lights on in the bedroom?
What's the temperature inside?
Make it warmer.
Turn on the baby monitor.
Okay, Google, dim the lights.
Open the Home Control tab in the Google Home app to add compatible smart home devices. Then, use your voice to tell your smart home what to do.
IoTचा उपयोग आपण आपल्या बिझनेसला स्मार्ट करण्यासाठी सुद्धा करू शकतो. रिटेलमध्ये याचा उपयोग केला जातो, ट्रान्सपोर्टेशनमध्ये, हेल्थ केअरमध्ये. ओला उबेर तुम्ही बघितलंच आहात त्याच्यात, ॲमेझॉन. चला तर काही उदाहरण बघूया.
As a manufacturer, optimizing production to grow your business and keep your customers happy is imperative. Can you dig into your machine data and find value or gold that can both increase customer satisfaction, optimize operations, and grow your business? Here's the challenge. Your machines spit out a lot of data. There's so much machine data that it could easily be completely overwhelming, or just something you ignore. But what if you could dig into all the data from every machine, every facility that your sensors and controllers are accumulating, and combined with machine learning and the Internet of Things, reveal actionable solutions that could transform your business? Mariner, using Microsoft Cortana Analytics Suite and Microsoft Azure IoT Suite, does just that. We quickly and cost-effectively pinpoint the gaps in your production, maintenance, supply chain, and even in customer retention to reveal opportunity for immediate improvement. Let's look at 4 actual manufacturers. Each has a different production setup, different operational technology, and a different problem. 2 are continuous manufacturers. One wanted to reduce defects. The other wanted to find the optimum line speed to maximize profit. One is a discrete manufacturer that wanted to find out what's causing failures from misfeeds and jams. And one was a field service company that wanted to minimize expenses. Each of these manufacturers had a different operational technology mix. Sensors, SCADA, HMI, MES. One of them didn't have any at all, but each benefited from using Mariner's integration of device data and advanced analytics. By analyzing their wealth of data, Mariner helped the companies reduce defects and waste, find the most efficient belt speed, determine the cause of failures, and in all cases, dramatically lower expenses. Whether your company is large or small, one location or many, or has a variety of technologies in place, IoT can help. All you need to know is that you have a problem worth solving. If you're interested in the value and the competitive advantage that IoT can reveal, but don't know how to begin, contact Mariner. Our proof of value engagement is very affordable, very obtainable, and quickly illustrates how a business problem can be solved and transform your business with a measurable ROI. Are you ready to look for the gold?
फिटनेस आणि लाईफस्टाईल ॲप्लिकेशनमध्ये सुद्धा आपण बघितलं आहे की IoTचा उपयोग होतो. आपल्याकडे जो स्मार्ट वॉच असतो त्याच्यामध्ये IoT सेन्सर्स आहेत जे आपल्या हार्ट रेट, ब्लड प्रेशर, ऑक्सिजन लेवल त्याचप्रमाणे IoTचा उपयोगसुद्धा आपण ट्रॅकिंगसाठी केला जातो. म्हणजे बस कुठपर्यंत पोहोचली आहे, व्हेकल ट्रॅकिंग आहे. त्याचप्रमाणे मुलांना पण, लहान मुलांना पण बँड देऊ शकतो आणि ट्रॅक करू शकतो की ते कुठे आहेत. मोठ्या माणसांना पण आपण किंवा आपले पेट असेल त्यांनासुद्धा. रिटेल इंडस्ट्रीमध्ये IoTचा वापर केला जातो. स्टोअरमध्ये जी तुमच्या वस्तू आहेत त्या किती शिल्लक आहेत, कुठल्या जास्त आहेत, कुठल्या कमी आहेत, काय ऑर्डर द्यायच्या आहेत, ही सगळी जी इन्व्हेंटरी आहे ती सगळी तुम्हाला IoTच्या याच्याने मिळू शकते सेन्सर्समुळे. चला आता आपण एक उदाहरण बघूया.
I want you to picture your kitchen at home. And if you're like most people, you can trace many of your groceries back to the original source. And so it's this farm to table sense of knowing the local grower who's responsible for your produce. I spent a lot of time thinking about the future of the retail grocery industry. Today, about 10% of US shoppers are buying their groceries online, and that's steadily increasing. With new technologies like IoT, like artificial intelligence, this concept of a smart kitchen that could restock itself, we're not very far away from that. Grocery retailers are challenged to match smart kitchens with smart aisles. As you think about new technologies like IoT, you can start to place sensors within the store, which are essentially data sponges that are soaking up all the shopper insights and behavioral patterns. And you start to look at the patterns within the store. Are we seeing the right conversion? Are we seeing the right movements in the store to be able to make smarter business decisions? Data is only useful if you can process it quickly and you can process it efficiently. And if you can do that, you turn data into real intelligence that you can use to personalize the customer experience. My smartphone can ping me with a personalized discount that's crafted for me. And so if I click on that discount, I can be presented with a store map to actually find these items. And now I can be guided through the aisles with shelving that lights up as I approach it. Insights need to be processed very close to where the data set sits. I'll give you an example. If you're standing in the produce aisle, there isn't time to send the data to an off-site processing center, back to the store, and then back down to the customer. So in today's era, seconds matter in the customer experience. The future of the grocery industry belongs to those organizations that can process data at the edge of your network. In that way, the concept of edge-to-edge intelligence is tailor-made for the grocery business, because we want to keep our data as close to the source as possible, just as we want our food to travel a short distance from the farm to the table.
IoTचा उपयोग हॉस्पिटलमध्ये सुद्धा केला जातो. सेन्सर्सद्वारे तुमचं ब्लड प्रेशर, हार्ट रेट, डिसीज यांचा सगळा डेटा कलेक्ट केला जातो आणि त्यानुसार डिसिजन घेतलं जातं. चला तर आपण बघूया.
The rise of the Internet of Things has potentially life-saving applications within the healthcare industry. By collecting data from bedside devices, viewing patient information, and diagnosing in real time, the entire system of patient care could be improved. Not to mention the patient experience. By 2019, 87% of all healthcare organizations will have implemented IoT technology. But today, many healthcare devices operate in silos. Over a third of healthcare organizations don't apply data from connected devices to other business processes. An issue that creates inefficiency, potential for data loss, and mistakes in diagnosis. Effective healthcare depends on speed and accuracy, and we have seen a huge range of devices becoming connected as IoT takes hold. Over 50% of devices on healthcare networks in the next 2 years will be IoT devices. Like those you see here, from handheld devices to health records to medical equipment, the industry is embracing the world of connected things. With a common language and a single platform for these devices to operate, the potential for IoT is limitless. For caregivers, the ability to easily monitor and manage patient health can save precious minutes every day. Without having to manually visit each patient, the expert can give a remote diagnosis and track medical assets, providing quality care more quickly and managing the healthcare environment more efficiently. Using sensors and Wi-Fi, the ability to locate the right department in a hospital while retrieving essential information becomes straightforward for both caregivers and patients. Nearly 3/4 of healthcare leaders who have adopted IoT believe its key benefit will be to monitor and control medical devices and sensors. From patient heart monitors to temperature gauges, this real-time data already exists in healthcare. And now it can be used to create a safer and more effective environment. Through a single application on a mobile device, patients and staff can securely manage IoT data. IoT means an easier and more efficient patient care experience, allowing staff to do their jobs better. Which is why 76% of healthcare leaders predict it's going to transform their industry.
व्हेकलमध्ये सुद्धा ॲप्लिकेशन आहे. आपण व्हेकल ट्रॅक तर करू शकतो, त्याचप्रमाणे मेंटेनन्ससाठी सुद्धा सेन्सर्स लावल्यानंतर आपल्याला कळू शकतं की केव्हा मेंटेनन्सची गरज आहे. प्रेडिक्शन ते आधीच देतं. नुसतं घरच नाही तर पूर्ण बिल्डिंगसुद्धा आपण स्मार्ट करू शकतो. आपण सेन्सर्स लावून टेम्परेचर सेन्सर, लाईट सेन्सर, मोटार्स लावून आपण बऱ्याच गोष्टी कंट्रोल करू शकतो. CCTVने सुद्धा कंट्रोल केलं जातं. ॲग्रिकल्चरमध्ये सुद्धा IoTचा वापर केला जातो. सॉईल मॉइश्चरनी तुमच्या जमिनीची आर्द्रता चेक केली जाते. प्लांट जे आहेत त्याचं हेल्थ पण मॉनिटर करू शकतो. व्हेकल जे आपण वापरणार आहोत ते मॉनिटर करू शकतो. परत क्रॉपचं मॉनिटरिंग ॲप बनवू शकतो. वॉटर सप्लाय कंट्रोल करू शकतो. इन्व्हेंटरी मॅनेज करू शकतो. बऱ्याच गोष्टी आपण करू शकतो. नुसती बिल्डिंग नाही तर आपण सिटीसुद्धा स्मार्ट बनवू शकतो. चला तर बघूया कसं करू शकतो. इंडस्ट्रीमध्ये सुद्धा IoT वापरलं जातं. स्मार्ट मॅन्युफॅक्चरिंग किंवा रोबोट्स वापरून बऱ्याचशा गोष्टी ऑटोमॅटिक केल्या जातात. चला तर बघूया.
This is Jim. He is a manufacturer and owns a manufacturing plant. His plant has many things at one place, such as a supply chain and chain in the back office. All these things generate lots and lots of data, like transactional data, ERP data, CRM data, and public data. These are all the things together which empower and enable his employees to connect with customers and business partners. Now, even though Jim's factory looks well equipped, he still faces several challenges. During the production process, machines stop working frequently without any notice. Or sometimes the control system gets many errors at the time of product manufacturing. Even when Jim gets a lot of data, he cannot use it to predict the outcomes he wants. So, what could be the solution for Jim's problems? SoftWeb's IoT solutions are the best option for Jim to overcome these challenges. Whether it's a machine failure, problems in control systems, or getting accurate results from the data. Let's see how these IoT solutions can help Jim and his team. The Internet of Things, IoT, starts with the things installed in the manufacturing plant, the things that matter most to his business. The first step is adding sensors throughout the factory. In this production unit, IoT systems can help in monitoring production flow in real time to eliminate waste and unnecessary work in inventory production with the help of the sensors installed in the conveyor belt. All the data gathered by the sensors is sent to the cloud for analysis and creating predictive models. Not only this, but it will help engineers in implementing condition-based maintenance alerts to eliminate machine downtime and increase output by predicting machine failure. IoT can also help management to manage machines remotely, knowing temperature limits and other settings to save energy and reduce costs. With the collected data from sensors, operations managers can see their production line status and recommend adjustments to manage operational costs using data visualization tools. The R&D department can get insights from the usage patterns of multiple clients and track their equipment failure, enabling Jim's company to re-engineer products for better performance. On the other side, his field service management can identify when to deploy the right resources for predictive maintenance to minimize equipment failures and reduce service costs. With all these solutions, Jim can now tap into data with IoT dashboards and uncover actionable intelligence. He can also modernize how he does his business. IoT is a combination of sensors, cloud infrastructure, data analytics, and visualizations that helps you create a smart manufacturing unit. To know more about how we can help your business take advantage of the Internet of Things, contact us at info@softwebsolutions.com or call us at 866-345-7638.